Hi there. Want to remove unwanted objects from a picture? You don't need advanced editing tools or professional experience. Copilot AI in PowerPoint can do it with just a few clicks. Select the picture and go to the Picture Format tab. Click Edit Picture. The AI Tools window opens. Click Edit Object. Choose Object or Brush. Select the area. AI will auto-detect it. You can erase, move, or cut out the selection. After a few moments, the object is removed. When done, click Save. The original picture is replaced. That's it.